Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back. My new project today. I talking about right now. This is the hot project and CandyDrop guys and 115 and CandyDrop X of the BOB and date of the deposit and invite friend and share guys and this is the BOB and this is the CandyDrop is get candy or drop platform user and complete tasks and to earn and candidate and share token airdrop. We are excited to launch and the BOB token airdrop the event and where you can complete the following tasks and to earn and candidate and share as to total price and this is the price and this is the BOB and this with a maximum individual and the share it gets 50,000 and sorry the guys and 10,500 BOB and details are of the follow guys. So fast spot trading and full and guys and this is the maximum BOB and this 5,000 of the BOB per person deposit guys and this is the um, 1 million and the BOB and fixed reward guys 500 BOB per person and this invite friend guys is the BOB maximum is the 5,000 per person airdrop and calculation formula and individual candy amount total candy all of the user price pool guys. So the event period guys November 20 and 2025 and this is the guys clock December 2 and 2025 and this is the UTC clock the first of the export rate and price rule guys and the user hole and the every first export and get width of the BOB and the achieving and the export trading volume guys and the 500 USDT will earn and this one candy and total reward full and this is the maximum for user and this 5,000 of the BOB reward rules and the following volume and export trade and these guys 500 USDT one candy and this volume of this and exported and this gets 1000 USD to Candy guys. So the volume and the cost of the export and this 3000 USDT and 3 Candy guys and volume and the first exported and 5000 and this 5 Candy so the volume and this spot rate and these guys 10,000 USDT and the 10 candidate guys. So let's talking about right now guys deposit price full rules guys and the during in this event user with the net of the deposit and this 1000 USDT height for the latest 24 hours and not withdrawal and receive candidate base and one of the deposit amount and the total reward full guys so this 1 million of this BOB will be shared and with fixed reward 500 BOB and net of the deposit is calculated with base and one of the Bob price at the time and of the deposit calculative and this net of the deposit on chain and this withdraw and redemption the recharge and code and C2C and sell and the any withdraw after claiming and tax will be also including in the net of the deposit data. So guys, three invite friend and prizeful rules and during the event, every successful invitation for one valid friend and who register and complete and 200 USDT BOB export trading, you can and receive one candidate with the maximum of the 10 candidates and all user candy holder will share and the price and this pool and this guys with the maximum reward and 5,000 of these view before user and note of the qualified valid refer and user must register thought and the exclusive event link and complete the 200 USDT in the spot trading of BOB and the refer who and this participate in other invitation the camping will not of the eligible for of the candy reward at the event, guys. So guys, project introduction and BOB is building and the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi unlocking real unity for the world. Most of the important asset by fusing and the Bitcoin unmatched and the security with Ethereum and Bear City and the BOB and the Crate and the Primer and the destination for the Bitcoin liquidity and the application and institution of the Bob hybrid chain and unique and combined NGK and proofs and BTC and staking rate and native bridges and to both Ethereum and Bitcoin and B BM and Bob and multi-chain and gateway lets user and swap and Bitcoin any asset of the deposit direct into the DeFi across an 11 chain and powered by BTC intents and token. So guys, thank you watching my live stream and thank you joining my live stream and follow my GitHub channel guys and thank you guys and this is the new project today I review right now guys. So note an authentic review guys and this participate must of this note and right now guys and this is the joining uh, button on the event page and after successful joining the event they and must complete the event tasks and the identity and verification to receive reward guys. So reward will be distributed to user account with of the 14 work for day after and this event and it is this strictly and the prohibit and to register and the multiple small account and this engage in malicious and wash of the trading and self buying and self selling or of the any others and the cheating and behavior and multiple account of the same and verified user will be and consider the same account sub account are not of the allow and participate activities. So the market makers, enterprise, and the institution and the not allow participate in this event as an account, and this cannot participate in the friend invitation, the type and the actives will of the activities, and this unrestricted guys. So in case any disparate between the transcript and the version. English and version the English version of the shell previous. So get will the final interpretation and the right this event user and district and they cannot access all of the part and the service and this including and participate event in this event and the game and competition for the information more of the restrict area and please read the user agreement. So risk warning user must of the attention guys and fact of the virtual currency and trading and this applicated and by various and the factor and stuff of the market and policies and market highly variety of the price of the flexion and the duplicate to predict and please of the be sure and the pay of the attention to market risks and the trade of the Q testly guys. So guys, this is the latest and this announcement and market. So this is the event and this announce and this is the Bob mm, This is the gateway all to Bitcoin defined, and this is the bobs and the hybrid and chain and the fuse and the Bitcoin and unmatched and the secure and the Ethereum and Basicity unlock of the most of the important assets. So long and this our vision, and this is the Bob website, guys. So let's talk in our latest event, uh, extra winter and new pen announcement. Keep quiet. So guys, mm, so this is the Gate.io and website, guys. Not this my account connected, so I talking about this is the must be follow, and guys, and this is the get a official platform, guys, and this is the official news, and this is the one of the best platform, and the announcing Australia official launches, and this is the almost every news and every year, so you get a platform and following the notification, guys. I connected my X account, guys. Sorry, guys, and this is the sign out. Uh, so, guys, visit the Gateway official website, and I explaining right now. So, this is the event fiat and the BFE Super Friday and Lucky Draw and the BFE 5 Plus and user and win 2 up and 88 star, guys. So this is the event fiat and 21 and 2 2025 and November 2027 seven. This is the 2025 UTC time and the price pool and joining right now, guys. How to collect it and this guest sponsor. So the BFE exclusive benefit receive immediately and upon and register and 5 on plus 1 fee and guest bond. So weekly tax balance, the more of the complete and the more of the can earn of the no offer limit. So deposit tax for of the every net deposit and these guys. 50,000 USDT maintain and four of the 8 of the hours earned to one gas pound max of the 5 and earn of the tax every and 50 thousand USDT subscribe to BAP and will have one earn of the gas pound max 5 and the future trading and tax of the gas pound and base and calculated trading and volume no offer limit export trading tax and trust base and the cumulative trading and this no offer limited, guys. So weekly surprise tax and BAP upgrade bonus and upgrade BAP 5 of the during event this on one of the guest when trading of the BAP 5 user and completing and this consecutive day and the future trading and check you in on one of the guest phone, guys. So note of this to qualify reward user must other complete identity and verification and register for the event and this specialty registration and the field and this is the event is open to BFE user and only if you are not of the BFE and click you are the BFE phase and learn to how to upgrade and the BFE and unlock of the exclusive preview. So tasks will and start of the automatically after and the successful registration the especially in the tasks you are receive and this base one of the what is the display and after registration and this BFE 5 plus user will have the receive and the correspond and according and to their of the BFE level and which will be granted and the immediately and after the registration all of the participant can of the complete and the design tasks of the event and phase of the unlock and additional and gaspon any and Gashwan will be expire of this event after the event. So for net of the deposit tax, only deposit made of the successful and registration will other count and the net of the deposit total and total deposit total withdraw and this valid deposit and method of the include and the quickly buy and the P2P trading and the plot of the deposit and crypto deposit any bonus and voucher gift and coin and the transaction between gate of the announce will not be announced and net of the deposit must be and the maintenance and for of the 40 hours. Guys, so for the untax of the only BFE wealth and the hub and subunits made of the after successful registration will count of the BFE wealth and the hub and the products and the include of the BFE fix and term of the BFE staking BFE dual investment and quant of the fund and the private wealth and the management guys. So future and spot trading and tax will only encounter and trade and made of after successful registration, user will earn and the corresponding reward based on the trading and the volume achieving and during the event and no upper limit guys. So number eight and all of the corresponding reward are the credit and the instant license of the number and correspond the limited reward are of the distribute and the first come and first server and the base and once of the reward distribute tax of the program and for of the user who and the have not earned and the reward will not of the longer update and no event and will the immediately. So BAP 14 and the above the market and institutional duplicate and this account and this user API trading and volume 60% more than parts of the 30-day and are not eligible. So 10 and parts number 10 guys bulk account and registration was trading and self-trading and calculation or other and manipulation, cheating and behavior are the strictly and prohibit and sub account and this main account and will be multiple account under the same identity information will trade and the same participate trading volume and sub account calculate and the independent and you are verified and legal regulation account to hold and can you only receive the reward any and cheating violates and user agreement will the result and disqualification guys. Guys, disqualification. So reward for the event cannot and combine these those and the from other and the similar event on the platform. So get reserve and write and the modify amount and the cancel and the event anytime and without fear of the notice, guys. So get reserved the final right and this interpretation for the event. If you are have any question, please contact our customer support. Tip 14. This content does not uh, constitute an offer and the solicitation or of the recommendation and any kind of the get and may and unball and the provide and full service and this in certain and the reason any may of the restrict and prohibit access all of the part of our service including and this event those of the reason and for of the information please refer of the your user agreement and does not of the target promote and the service user stick and reason guys. So important note of the cryptocurrency make of the highly valued user strongly advisor seek and the independent and the professional advice fully and this understanding all of the relevant information and this process with court and when and making and discussion decision. So in case any and dispensary and the between the translate and the version and this original and Chinese version and the Chinese version of the shelf review, guys. Guys, so let's talking about Bob and our vision and this user transcription participate and this Bob unfilled gateway and the one click and the Bitcoin boards and the all of the accessible with just one click and one of these Bob. Guys. So guys, let's talking about right now, guys. What is Bob and this Vision footing and Bitcoin is the heart of the DeFi and the Bitcoin represent and the world and largest and most of the valuable digital asset. Yet it and remain and largely untapped in DeFi world and the Ethereum has achieved and this guy 30% DeFi TBL generation Bitcoin sites and at the just of the 0.3 percent of the Bob exit and the base and this gap and the giving and the everyone accessing at the Bitcoin of the potential, guys. So the problem user institution want to sustainable returns on the Bitcoin holding and will of the project and have need and liquidity in the world most of the trusted asset, guys. So the solution Bob and the gateway to Bitcoin DeFi and this Bob combine and the security of the Bitcoin with the DeFi and innovation of the Ethereum and the creating and the best of the place and build and on to yield and with the BTC. So for user one click Bitcoin staking cross of the chain and BTC swap and seamless DeFi access. So for developer integrate and the Bob EVM and get of the native BTC access. So key innovation BTC on of the Bob POB Bob is BTC is the first chain and achieving finality the form of the both Ethereum and Bitcoin. So, guys, the technology and the hybrid chain and the Bob POB Bob is optimizing and roll up with JK and POPs and on Ethereum secure and buy of the billion of the dollars of stake Bitcoin service by end this hybrid BAT, BTBM and base have the native and BTC integration. So core of the architecture of the Bitcoin security and guys BTC one of the Bob and is drop protected by is the Bitcoin and security model by NBAT BTMBM so Ethereum and compatibility and full of the EVM and compatibility with of the JK and Ford and the proofs, guys, Ford of the proofs. So hybrid and finality security by both and the Bitcoin and Ethereum and network. Guys, and native BTC and the integration direct BTC access with signal and transmission, guys. So why build on Bob Gateway to BTC DeFi best of the Bitcoin UX and the ecosystem in the ecosystem. So one click and the BTC DeFi deployment to any and DeFi protocol on any chain already integrate by Sol Sol Bisolv X birds and the fail of the guys. So BTC to any chain and stake and swap coming soon. So BITBM BM Bitcoin Security BOB Bob co-authorate and the latest and bit BM and bits and the design paper and this member of the bit BM the alliance launch of the bit CC and the educated and re Requit and the inflation institutional and partner and BATBM live on the testnet for institutional and the onboarding and security by billion of the dollar stake and BTC by BOB Bob finality and providers. So the ecosystem the home of the BTC DeFi and best in class and EVM and DeFi structure and base of the OPS tech. So the tier 1 DeFi enclosing and the Bob and Uniswap, Iluvar and Ape and the LIFI Lombard and Chainlink and Baby Loan and Solve. So institutional choosing Bob and Fireblock and Kobo and the four of the DeFi more of the BNOs and the strong fast of the stable coin in structure with of the USDC, USDT and Chainlink CCIP and layer 0. So connected next step and the connected wallet and bits asset and the make you fast transaction and this is the quickest and the connect wallet and bits and the asset guys. So guys step one connect your wallet um, Bob support all of the major Ethereum wallet and the MetaMask, most of the popular browser wallet are the Connect mobile wallet support and the hardware wallet this support. So see your wallet guideline and details information guys. So step 2 and connect your Bob network and edit wallet and add wallet and choose your wallet provider and put the connection and this add of the Bob network and network guide and the details information guys. So the bits and the asset are to the Bob and the form of the Ethereum visit of the Bob bits and the connect your EVM and wallet selected asset and the bid go follow the formation and the complete the transfer. Info and this is the info and from the Bitcoin info and for the network of the or of the platforms your Bob and guide and the start of the using Bob and guys so Bob user Ethereum as of the gas fee and make of the user bits and Ethereum or Bob make of the transaction. So this is the full of this guideline more details and from of the Bitcoin visit of the Bob bits and connect of the EVM and Bitcoin wallets and the select of the BTC for bits follow the formats and the complete the transfer. So Bob user Ethereum as gas fee and these bits and form of the Bitcoin you are don't need to have the Ethereum on Bob and you when you are selected to up to gas and option and you are will and get Ethereum and make up the future and transaction Bob. So see your Bitcoin Bob and guideline more the details. So from of the other networks or platform and this is the Bob of the guideline. Step for star the using Bob and this after using and this is taking earn of the yield of the BTC and use the DeFi DF and this access of the full network ecosystem trade of the access swap and BTC and the other token guys. So next step and this is the explore of the user hub explore of the apps of the Bob and make of the first transaction. So need of the help and this is the Discord support and Telegram support and documentation explore of the our document. Hmm. Make your first transaction. Choose your the first transaction option. One stake of the Bitcoin. The most of the popular transaction Bob is the staking Bitcoin and earn yield, guys. So negative and the staking and go to pop earn and selected BTC staking and choose the BTC staking for and the review FEY and this term as stake and your BTC and this amount is taking confirmation transaction as earning and this year. So option and to swap and asset. So trying to sweeping between BTC and other assets. So access swap interface. Go to DX and Bob and selected and this Uniswap with of the OKN content and selected trading pair. Choose the input token and selected these are output token. So execute the swap, review the rates and the rate fee and the confirmation transaction receipt and swap and tokens, guys. So option three, your DeFi app, DeFi apps and the Explore Bob ecosystem using and this application. So browser app and this the Bob apps and this Explore feature and the application. So connected and user go to you and want to use connect to wallet and follow the special instructions. So transaction tips. What is the next? And user hub. So let's talking about right now, guys. I already talking about right now. So let us event, guys. Guys. So participate in the Get Web3 launch pool, one DCY and random GTR drop, guys. So as of the token and participating initial supporting and participating and the first of the gate of the Web3 and Launchpad gate and will distribute random and amount GTR drop and this successfully subscribe users. So notes, guys. Eligibility: all users who successfully unsubscribe to the first of the phase and on of the gate and Web3 Launchpad airdrop random and quantity of the GT and distribute method and phase of the will out of the from below and provide and use GT and receive an address you get UID and from the link and this, guys, and question submission and details please submit and the before and this, guys, this is the time and distribution timeline and airdrop will the send and this three working and the day after information and submission and thank you or you our trusted support of the Gate and we are continue and optimize and get Web3 and Launchpad user experience bring and this high quality project to our community, guys. So this is the most of this big announcement. So guys, million mm, so guys, Mimi referral king contest with other thousand extra reward, guys. So this is the get web3 and proudly and present and this mimicking and referral king contest invite your friend entered the mimi go to and swap and go to swap and accumulating qualification trading and this volume and this one of the generous and reward during the event and the calls and the can user and unique and referral link and invite user each and the complete the qualification trait of the increase and the level and unlock an additional reward and this each reach and these guys up to 3,200 USDT will of the enjoy and standard DX referral communication themselves and referral making even invite of the more of the valuable. Uh, this is the invite now and guys and this is the November 20 and this is the time ending as December 4 2025 and 11 UTC. So F3 and DEX referral benefit 30% of the commission for you and 20% for your friend. So get and Web3 officially launched and the unfilled and the referral system more four of the Mimi go to get swap Mimi go to trading and this volume 30% communication get swap token swap LP 30% of the commission. So friend and who bind and your referral code and with of the 7 day and the wallet creation will of the receive 20% of the self trading and this communication those of the how do not bind and will forbid and these benefits. So all the event reward the additional to the standard and referral communication guys commission guys sorry and also the event and this is the one and called exclusive the level excellence up to guys and 2200 USDT per person so go to the get web3 referral phase and this generate and the referral link and invite user trade and the on of the Mimi go and Mimi and trading guys and this is the swap and the LP and token swap participate the call and the level challenge and reward and base and this cumulative qualification and volume add of the first and this web created and 10 USDT including and first swap first Mimi go to trade and counts and the qualification invite and qualifying trading and this volume including net of the Mimi go to trading and this volume and get swap volume each and all to can earn and this up to guys 2200 USDT rewarding issue and the echo rating and the highest level and recharge will also using 20% self trading and commission and 30% real time commission from your friend trade guys. So this is the level.